Hello! Hi guys. Okay, so I am going to, I think, try to do like a holiday look, but I really want to do something like this where it's got like Christmas lights kind of like strung across the face. So I'm gonna try to do a look like that. I already have all my makeup done, and so I just want to show you guys a little bit of how I'm gonna attempt this. I've never tried it before, and we're gonna have fun and try to figure this out. All this in with dark, and then I'm gonna have it be like a black background when I take the picture, so it looks like this is all like shadowed and like my face is all squeezed in from the lights. I can't move my mouth very much because if I do, the paint will crack.
Makes sense.
Look at that pretty eyeshadow though. It's sparkly.
Hey, I told you to stay away from that toilet paper. Hey, hey.